Yeah.
666.
Tommy, you like me the best.
No, you love me the most.
You love me. What are you guys saying?
They love me.
Then you love me. How can you say that? Zoe, we're supposed to be
It wasn't me.
No.
Of course you guys love me the best. I'm the one still standing.
Everyone loves me. What? They think they can fight? Or what? Hi! Call me 5555555. Cause you love me the best!
I'm the cutest and the
I actually am! You should hear her. She's almost like a dumb blonde except brunette.
Shut up. Obviously people like me the most.
Two. Or 4.
I'm single. Elaine, I love you. I love you. That's why I'm the most popular in the world.
Hey, actually,
I'm the most friends ever.
call me, because I'm the prettiest. Yeah.
Don't call the dumb people. Sorry. Yeah, don't call the short little kids. They're so short.
Hey!
They're mature.
Hi, I'm actually the most mature. You should hear them.
Out! Brooke and Frank. Obviously,
Zoe.
No, you got to bring in the computer. Obviously, ow!
Sorry, I was trying to pull Emily.
Obviously.
Hi.